Hey guys, have another short video on a broccoli dish I do, and I do it with a little bit of, it's a lean ground burger. It's an 85 15 I use. Okay, so I saute my burger first. I pull the fat out, and I incorporate my broccoli. Okay, and I start to saute, and you can go from there. You can mix this with a pasta if you like. But I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit more of olive oil. I like an extra virgin olive oil. Beautiful, healthy green vegetables, guys. Good stuff. I do a little bit of a Parmesan. Beautiful. I like Parmesan. I'm going to add some extra. And a little bit of salt, pepper. Okay. I'm going to turn it over. You can do all sorts of things with this. You know, you mix it with some macaroni. You can use some cheddar cheese. You have a broccoli burger mac and cheese if you'd like, or you can have it like this as a dish. Very inexpensive. I think this whole thing is about $2, and that's it, folks. Look how beautiful this is for a simple dish. Burger and broccoli with the Parmesan. I do have a little garlic powder here. Lightweight and delicious. Looking for a vegetable idea? Well, this is it. Low fat, because I took the fat out of the burger. Flavorsome and light. Okay, you get your protein. And inexpensive. And quick, too. Only take me about 5 minutes to make this. You guys like broccoli? So, I sauteed my burger first. And then I rendered the fat. I took the fat off. Then I incorporated my broccoli spears. These were frozen. They're steam in a bag. So I started the steam in the bag. I put those in the pan with the burger. I add a little bit of garlic and olive oil, Parmesan, and salt and pepper. And I toss it in the pan. And that's the dish. Delicious, healthy food, guys. How do you beat that? So, if you have any recipe ideas that you want me to give you, recipes on how to cook your hamburger, or how do you like vegetables made, I'll do some videos for you. Okay. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I need to get my subscribers up, and I'll be making some more videos for you. Okay. All right. Hey, enjoy the food. Hope this video helped you. Thanks, guys.